welcome you all on my channel Doctor's Desk. So before I start the video, kindly share, subscribe and follow my channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell about the important things you should know before you are going for UPSC CMS 2021. So this year some changes are there. So I thought I'll make a video and I'll let you know about all the points you should know. So now let's see the video now. So few changes I told I'll let you know. The most important thing you to know that this time the exam will be offline and you all have to carry the black ballpoint pen. So keep this in mind. This time you have to carry the black ballpoint pen and exam will be offline. So you need to take care of few points which I will discuss with you. About the admit card, you have to download your admit card and you have to check everything, name and roll number and all. You need to check it in your admit card. If there any discrepancy, you can contact with the UPSC office, and for that you need to put your name, email, registration ID, roll number and all with the UPSC. So you have to carry your e-admit card, which you should get print out and carry with you, and along with that you have to carry your original photo identity proof, which you have mentioned in your application form. When you had filled that application form, which whatever identity card number you had mentioned there, you have to carry that identity card only. So these three points you need to keep in mind for your admit card. If you'll see, you have to preserve the e-admit card till the declaration of the final result of the UPSC CMS. Final result means after the interview, there will be a total calculation of marks of the written and the final, and after that the final result will come. So till that time you have to preserve your admit card. If in your admit card, if you found that your photograph is not clear, then you have to do the following things. Firstly, you need to carry one photo identity proof, two passport size photo, I mean one for each paper, okay, and then undertaking, they will take your undertaking there only. So you need to keep these things for the related to admit card in your mind before going for exams. So if you see the timings, so there I know all of you know that there will be two papers, one paper in the morning and one paper in the afternoon session. So for each paper you need to reach before the 10 minutes before the actual time. That is, for the paper 1 you need to reach before 9:20 a.m. and for the paper 2 you need to before to the center around 1:50 p.m. So please keep this in mind, otherwise they will not allow to enter the examination venue. So this time all of you know that the exam will be offline. So the main thing is about the OMR answer sheet. All of you know that after a long time you are going to fill the OMR answer sheet. So there will be chances that you will do the mistake. So keep this thing in mind, that if you are doing any mistake, kindly contact your invigilator, let him know what mistake you had done, then he'll help you. Don't worry about, don't take tension about the mistake. But one thing keep in mind, that while filling the OMR sheet, be careful about everything. And two things I'm telling you, that these two things are very important while filling the OMR sheet. You should not write wrong about this. One is your roll number. You have to be careful. You check your admit card while filling your OMR sheet. And second is the test booklet series code. This is the most important thing. To both these things, like roll number and test booklet series code, you need to take care of while filling your OMR sheet. So kindly check all these things. And if you'll see what all things you have to carry and what all things you have to take care in the examination hall, is the use of normal or simple wristwatch is allowed this time. You should not have to carry your digital wristwatch, because this time exam will be offline, so you can carry the normal watch. Wearing of face mask is mandatory for all the candidates. Candidates have to carry their own sanitizer in the transparent bottle, and all of you know this time you have to follow the COVID-19 protocol. So hope you all of you have got what I want to convey to you. Then also, if you have any problem, you can put that your problem in the comment section. I'll try to solve it out and I'll try to get back to you. So thanks a lot and all the best for your exams. related to exam, if you are having any problem, you can contact me on my Instagram page, which I am sharing in my this description, and the Facebook page link. You can directly go to that pages and you can put your messages regarding any your doubt. So hope all of you are doing very good. All the best for your exams. Thank you and thanks a lot.